Hey YouTube, it's Sasuke222's channel. There are two booster packs right here and we'll be opening them. Okay. Here's the Suicune promo card, which you guys have probably already seen like 10 times. The coin. And here is the EX Hollow Phantoms pack. I'm going to open it first. Okay, here we have a Mankey, a Pidgey, Barbroach, a Pichu, a trainer card, an energy card, a Pidgeot, and a gold duck card, and a Masquerain. Next up is the EX Power Keepers. Okay, here is a ball toy, a Skitty, Lileep, Swablu, Why Not, a Cacnea Reverse, an energy card, a Curlia, and a trainer card. Okay, next up is Dragon Frontiers. Okay, here is Larvitar, a Cyndaquil, Feebas, Wooper, Trapinch, a Bagoon Reverse, kind of cool, a Melodic, whoa, I like Melodic, so that's cool, a trainer card, and a Smeargle. Okay, next, again, Suicune promo card. The Rayquaza coin. Okay, here's EX Hollow Phantoms. Here is Poochyena, a trainer card, Pikachu, Oddish, Pidgey, a Relicanth Reverse, a Blossom, trainer card, and a Holland's Castform. Here is EX Power Keepers. Okay, here is a trainer card. Why Not? Charmander, Magnemite, Carvana, an energy reverse, Ducati, Celio, and Vibrava. Yeah, so no gold stars so far, which is kind of sad because last time we got like 3 of them. Here's Carvana, Anorith, Lileep, Pikachu, Baltoy, Combustion Reverse, that's kind of cool, an energy, Donphan, and a trainer card. So really no. But we did get a Metagross EX card out of all these pulls. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. So Skate222's channel. Remember to subscribe.